Hi TJ, hi Beans, hi Timmy. I knew I was gonna miss you guys tonight at story time, so I took a book so I can read it to you from here. And guess what? You guys have the same book on the shelf, so if you want to follow along in yours, you can grab it or you can just listen to me. All right. Hopefully you don't go to sleep too fast. One little sheep, two little sheep. Oh man, those sheep always get me. All right. So this book is awesome. I love it. It's called There's No Place Like Space. There's no place like space. All about our solar system and this cat in the hat. There's no place like space. There's no place like space. What? There's a cat in the hat in the moon? How do you get in there? What are you doing, cat? There's no place like space. What? He's flying a spaceship with a hand coming out the front? Man, that seems pretty awesome. I'm the cat in the hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I'll prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. You think their mother's gonna mind? I don't know about this cat in the hat. Jump in, here we go. We'll fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you missed them, you'll soon see. The planets in our solar system. Oh, that one's hot. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. This must be number 1. Mercury's close to the sun's burning light. It's hot in the daytime, but oh, so freezing at night. Oh, look, he looks pretty cold. What? How's he sleeping upside down? On Venus, the weather is always the same. Hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Today's weather on Venus, really hot. Nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit, windy and dry. I think I'm gonna need a glass of water. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's a clue. It's my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It's the 3rd planet from the sun. It's our planet called, do you know what planet's next? 3rd planet from the sun is the one where we live. It's called Earth. It spins all the time, run like a top. It turns once every day and it will never stop. Home sweet home. The question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? Why don't we feel the Earth as it spins on its way? Because we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. Oh, so I'm not dizzy. Next, here's Mars. It's the color of rust. Achoo! We sneeze here because it's covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find the bigger than all other planets combined. Whoa! All the planets could fit in Jupiter. That thing's huge, man. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. Whoa! That's a pretty light planet. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. Woo. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, the planet 8, is a beautiful blue. Oh, whose favorite color is blue? We have seen all the planets. Now here's a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say Mallory, Mercury, Valerie, Venus, Emily, Earth, Michael's, Mars, Just, Jupiter, Save, Saturn, Up, Uranus, 999, Neptune, Nichols. The first letter of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. See? Mercury, Mallory. Venus, Valerie. Now here's a game you can play in the skies. Connect to all the stars you can see with your eyes. Whoa, there's the great dog, the great bear, and Orion. Oh, look, there's his belt. 1, 2, 3. I can always find that one. It's a star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you will see big pictures we call constellations. I wonder if they have cool secret ninja powers. the bull, lion, a dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, and a hunter, Orion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. It's a star called... What is our star called? Dun dun dun. The sun! Oh, I wonder if I can get his autograph. From Earth it looks big. There's one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and you'll never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt, and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute. 1 million of our Earths could all fit right in it. That's phenomenal! Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. Do you think it's made of cheese? The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror, it reflects the sun's light. That's pretty cool. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a lunar rover. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. That's a cool job. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go, fly back to the stars, and take thing 1 and thing 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky to find something that's new. The end. Dun 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 dun. That was The Cat in the Hat. There's no place like space. Cool book to think about. I wonder, can you guys see any stars where you're at tonight? It's still not quite nighttime where I'm at, so I'll have to check later to see if I can see any stars. I hope so. That would be pretty cool. Maybe you can see Orion or the great bear or the great dog. We'll just have to see. It's amazing what God made. But I just wanted to say goodnight, and I love you guys. Can't wait to see you on Friday. Bye, guys. Oh no, those sheep are back.